So I just had Emily here, Emily Hudson. She just finished Mastering the Spotlight. And I'm putting her on the spot right now. She had no idea I was asking her this question because you came in for another interview. But how has Mastering the Spotlight changed what you're doing with your brand? And tell me the things that you liked about it or whatever you want to say about it.
Well, I loved our group. They were really great. They were so great. And by the way, people say, oh, there's, nobody does everything. We had somebody in our group, and you can concur,
who does
everything. When you look at a picture of overachiever in the dictionary, there's Cynthia's picture right there.
I always have one in every class.
Right? Oh, really? There's more of her.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I think we had a big, huge range. I loved our speakers. I still follow all of them on social media. I loved them. I loved the pointers that you gave us. And I loved just kind of the encouragement that came along with it, just to pick up your phone and just record something as simple as, hey, this is what I do when I get up in the morning. I walk to my cup of, I love my favorite cup, for coffee, and this is what I look at. I open window, I look at my hummingbirds. You just allowing someone in to see that part of your life, and then the engagement that you get from the group.
You noticed, huh?
Right?
Yeah.
So the encouragement that you get from the group.
Yeah.
And since you're on the phone with them on Zoom once a week, then you also get the personalities that come through.
I know, for 12 weeks.
For 12 weeks, it was so fantastic. And so now with all of those people still, I feel more vested in their success and in their authenticity on camera. And because I saw it, because we're showing up 12 weeks in a row together for an hour and a half, 2 hours, talking, being candid. So when they're, walking down the street in that new color that they said that they were going to try.
They do it.
Right, they do it. And they shine, and you can see the difference. You can go back and look at what they posted before and what they're posting now. And some of them really just took off. It's really exciting. And you feel a part of it. You make us feel a part of one another's success. And I think that is probably the human factor to what you bring to it, which you need to be authentic, which is human. And you did such a good job bringing that out of all of the different personalities. And we had a psychiatrist.
I know, a life coach.
A life coach. That's what he is. Yes. So, and he even got, you could see him bringing things out.
Oh, you mean, no, I'm sorry. I thought you were talking about my guest. No, you mean, he's a brain scientist. Yes.
And he works with people who have dementia and Alzheimer's.
Yes.
And just even seeing him come from where he came in his little stern to a warm environment on camera for him. So, yes.
Yeah, he's amazing. So how do you think it affected you the most, though? Like, how do you think it changed you the most or improved?
Confidence to be just who I am and to be the best of who I am. To let people see this part of me, the part that doesn't settle down, that comes in up here and laughs and makes mistakes on camera and just kind of laughs about it, or just the quirkiness to someone's personality. It's important for people to see that so that they know you're human.
Yeah. I mean, I always say that confidence and authenticity does come from the inside out. And that's what I think that makes this course different, is that I really work on the inside out. It's not just learned a practiced thing. It's a feeling thing.
Right. 100%. And, my aunt would make comments like, you need to see how that person was just sitting still and I don't sit still. I can't sit still.
Don't sit still.
You're I shake my head. I use my hands.
Yes, embrace it.
I bounce up and down. At least I give somebody something to watch, right?
But aren't those the posts that get more views?
Yes, those are the ones that they last longer. They're more entertaining. They're listening to what you sound on, not just, oh, you look cute in that top. Oh, your hair looks cute today. No, they want to listen to what you're saying. And that's what you want. You want people to listen to what you have to say and then connect with you. And you helped. That helped me immensely. This course was amazing.
Yay! Yay!